Today we have this HP Pavilion G6 laptop. Problem with the laptop, the fan is making very bad noises. Customer tried to lubricate the fan. He opened the laptop and saw, and the fan is still making a problem, so customer wants us to replace the fan. So pretty much that's what we're gonna do today. We have the fan here. This is let me see what's the model. This is HP Pavilion G6-1303SG. Pretty much we have to remove the screws on the back, we have to remove the keyboard, and we have to lift the board because on this model I think the fan is separate from the cooler, and since we have to replace it we need to lift the board. So let's start. We're gonna take the hard drive. We need to disconnect the cables here for the Wi-Fi because we need to lift the Wi-Fi also. Now all the screws on the outside should be the same size. The ones which are under the battery and the one in here are a little bit shorter. Keep that in mind. Here the customer put different screws, probably he lost some of them, so pretty much the shorter ones are here and here. All the rest should be the same. I think we have something broken here, we're gonna check that. Now let's flip the laptop. We need something sharp to get the keyboard out. We have some scratches here, probably due to the previous opening. We're gonna disconnect the keyboard. Now we have a few screws which are also, let me check here, they're the same size too. Now we need to disconnect the power button, the touchpad, and no idea what this is. We don't need to remove this yet. So pretty much now we have to separate the plastic. Let me try like this. Yeah. The cover is out. Now we need to lift the board in order for us to get access to the fan. So we need to disconnect the cable for the USB, for the charging port. The board is held only by one screw, which is down here right next to the speaker. So let's disconnect the cables. Now we need to lift this, but it's broken, so we have to be careful. Now since we removed the screw, we should be able to lift the board like this. Now since the fan is, the screws on the fans are on the other side, we'll have to lift the cooler, and since we're gonna do so, we're gonna replace the paste. Just let me check, is the fan the same? I'm gonna put a description in the link under the video. Yeah, the fan is the same. So pretty much we have 3 screws. Move the cooler a little bit left to right. The paste is sort of fresh, but we're gonna replace it anyway. Now let's remove the screws. We have 2 screws and we have some locks on the sides. Like this. Now push them a little bit inside so they can close properly, and just try to put the fan like this. The fan is spinning nicely. So let's clean the old paste. I'm gonna use a dry Q-tip. We're gonna clean the cooler also. Now let's put some alcohol. Like this. Be careful with this, it's under the GPU. Arctic MX 4 as usual. Don't put too much, otherwise next time I want to clean more. Now let's put the cooler back. This screw is broken. The spring doesn't hold the screw, but now let's put this under and put the rest of the screws. Now let's tie them. Let's connect the fan. this. It's spinning nicely. Now let's put the board back. Be careful with the cables. We need to put the cables back. Just make sure that everything sits properly. Now let's connect the power cable, the USB. We need to put the screw here. Let's place the cable, speaker, and that's the cable here for the camera. Like this. Yeah. Now let's put the cover. I need to put the screws. Put back the cables. Place the keyboard, the sides first. So after locking the keyboard, the only thing we gotta do now is put the screws, put the Wi-Fi, put the hard drive. Now let's power on the laptop to see will it come on. Fan is spinning perfectly, no sounds. Windows is loading. Pretty much that's the whole procedure. I hope you liked the video. Bye bye for now.